1 Hour Smart Home here, and today we're going to show you how to set up your Starlink Satellite Internet system, which we have got right here. We've got the satellite, that's the Wi-Fi adapter, and that's the power adapter. In order to set this up, you also need the Starlink app, which we've got right here. So download that and log in. Now that we have the app downloaded, we're just going to click Start Setup. Make the selection for what you're setting up. We're setting up the standard 4. Click Confirm. Find the best spot for Starlink. Clear view of the sky and stay connected. Once it gets online, we'll need you to align it later. I have a clear view. It says install mount for best performance. Put it on one of these mounts. I'm just going to click continue with kickstand. It says plug in Starlink and router, connect all the cables and run power to Starlink. The light on the front of your router will illuminate. So we're going to now power everything up. Now this is outside right now just for ease of installation while I'm getting everything set up. But what you've got is your power brick right here. This is your power adapter. That connects into your Wi-Fi router. This needs to go inside and this needs to go inside. And then the satellite dish itself, that can be outside. And what happens is you connect this to the Wi-Fi router, and then you go from the Wi-Fi router to the satellite dish with this cable that is rated for outside use. So you're gonna have to run this through a wall or window or basement, crawl space access vent, something like that, to be able to do that. So these two need to be inside. We're gonna plug those in, and then we're gonna plug that into the Starlink, and then eventually we'll have it fully set up where these two are inside and this is outside. So we're gonna do that now. Okay, my Starlink is plugged in and I can hear the satellite dish inside of here actually moving around, and I've got it set up so it's in the least obstructed area. I'm going to click my Starlink is plugged in. It says connect to Starlink Wi-Fi. We're going to open our settings up. We open our settings up and just go to Wi-Fi, and you can see right here that is our Starlink. So I'm going to click on that right now. And then I'm going to go back to the app. Allow Starlink to find devices on local networks. We're going to click Allow. Starlink paired successfully. Your device is connected to Starlink. Next, let's get your Starlink connected to internet and optimize your setup. We're going to click Continue. Calculating orientation. Starlink is talking to satellites to determine which way it's pointing. Determining alignment. Adjustment may be necessary for best performance. Activate Starlink now, and we're going to activate that in a minute. Once it does its calculation for orientation, you can see there's a bar right there, and it's like, I don't know, probably 80% of the way there. So we got to wait for that bar to completely go through, and then we will get that fully connected, and then we'll activate the Starlink. Okay, that bar fully completed, and it determined its alignment. It says activate Starlink now. Internet access will be restricted in 59 minutes if Starlink is not activated. It says configure Wi-Fi and downloading a software update. So I'm going to let the software update complete, and then we're going to do the other two tasks. Okay, the update is complete, and now we're ready to activate the Starlink. So I'm going to click activate Starlink right here. Then you need to enter your contact information, so do that now and click continue. Then you need to enter your service address. We then need to choose between personal and business. I'm going to choose residential and click continue. You've got different service plan options and speeds. We're just going to choose that top one and then click continue. This is the next screen that pops up. It's a little graphic, tells you what you got, and then it tells you how much is due today. We got to pay $55. Then you need to enter your payment information. After we entered our payment information, it says Starlink activated. Internet service will begin within 15 minutes. Your next subscription will be billed on September 3rd. So we're all set with the Starlink activation of the satellite itself. Now we just need to set up the Wi-Fi router so we have our own network. So in order to set up the Wi-Fi router, we need to go back to the Starlink app. When you subscribe with the subscription, it takes you out of the app and to a web page. So we just close the web page and now we're back in the app. Now we're going to click configure. Enter whatever you want to name the network and your password. Once we entered our password and Wi-Fi network and what we wanted to name it, it says applying settings. Wi-Fi is reloading to apply your new network, and this takes about a minute. Okay, after it did that, now it says connect to Starlink Wi-Fi. All we need to do is click connect and then we're done. Okay, now our Starlink is pretty much set up. It says our Starlink is misaligned by 38 degrees, so we're going to align it right now. Let's click align Starlink. Align your Starlink with the outline. Okay, so we are going to turn it, it looks like, this way. Okay, there it says our Starlink is aligned, and we're going to click view obstructions. Starlink is calibrating. This takes about an hour. Even though we had to realign the Starlink, it still works while it's doing that calibration and alignment, so no issues there. I just moved it a little bit further out in the yard so it's not near the house. And now our Starlink is working, so our Wi-Fi is connected, our internet's connected, and we are using this. So thank you for watching this video on how to set up your Starlink Satellite Internet or your Starlink Satellite Dish or your Starlink Wi-Fi. We hope you enjoyed this video. Please give us that thumbs up and subscribe. We'll see you next time.